So hey, assalamualaikum, welcome back to mini video. And here I am in Delran, and we came to see for the parrots because I had a parrot in Pakistan, and the prices are so high, and the parrots are like for like one parrot is 4K or 5K or 6K. Like these parrots are 4, 5, 6K. Damn, bro. In Pakistan they are like just 1K, and I had all of these, and they were like $50 in Pakistan. Like one pair $50. This one looks so good, but in front it was not that good. I also had this. This was like uh probably $100, and it was trying to bite me. This is called the Amazon. Yeah, it's expensive in Pakistan. Also, it's like $300, but in America it was like 5,000, 2,000, 3,000. These are called macaws. Okay, in Pakistan they are like 500 to 700 or $900, but here they were not in sale. And if they were in sale, they were probably uh like $5,000, $6,000. Love to teach them.
Not for sale.
I had in Pakistan. I had the green parrot in Pakistan, and she was trying to buy. She was trying to rip off my camera. I don't know about this one, but this was 6,000. This was $6,000. These are cockatoos, my favorite one, and they were trying to bite my finger. My favorite one are these, and she was the prettiest, bro. I was telling her, and she won't bite me. She won't bite me. She was enjoying.
रेनबो बकरे जरा इसको हल्का दे आए खुद ही आती है देख हाँ उधर भी आ रहा लगा ना ये देख
After then, we were hungry, so we grabbed some food. The food place is called On the Grill, and the food was so good. Then